So you want to travel the world while working on a laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 high-paying careers that you can pursue to make that dream come true. These aren't little side hustles that will barely make ends meet. These are legitimate careers that do not require a college degree, that are high-paying enough that you'll be able to live like a king or queen overseas. The first career path on our list is digital marketing. Digital marketers help companies with their online marketing. This includes helping them with search engine optimization, also known as SEO, so that their content shows up on top of pages such as Google, YouTube, and even TikTok. This also includes helping companies manage their ads so that they make more sales. And finally, you'll also be helping them with their content so that they get more views across all platforms. Digital marketers are the masters of capturing attention. And as we know, attention is worth more than gold in the digital age. It's so important that companies have spent more than $500 billion last year on digital ads, and they need someone to manage these ads, which makes digital marketers an extremely high-demand profession. Every single company these days needs a couple of them. If you take a look on LinkedIn, there are currently over 45,000 entry-level job openings for digital marketers right now in the USA alone. The average starting salary for digital marketers these days ranges anywhere from $40,000 to $50,000 entry level, and you can expect to be earning somewhere between $70,000 to $90,000 just 1 to 2 years down the line. Ideally, this is a career path that you should consider if you are not too technically savvy. It's not a job that requires any programming or technical skills. It is, however, a job that requires a good amount of data analytics. You need to be able to spot trends and adjust things to make your ads perform better. This may sound a bit tricky, but luckily for you, most companies are willing to invest time and money so that you can improve your skills. And that's because they understand that the digital world is constantly changing. A marketing strategy that worked well 2 years ago may not work well anymore, so it's expected that you figure out what's currently working and help them apply the new strategy. If you want to learn more about this amazing career path and how to get hired in less than 6 months, I suggest you check out a free intro course my good friend Seth Himes has made on the topic. I've been promoting his course for over 5 years now, and together we've helped hundreds of people get real full-time jobs in the digital marketing field. The link is in the description box below. Full disclosure, this is an affiliate link, so I do get compensated if you sign up. The second career path is IT, also known as information technology. Contrary to popular belief, people in IT don't just sit in call centers and make minimum wage. IT covers a wide range of things and is actually considered to be one of the best remote careers in terms of long-term growth. If you take a look at this chart here, you'll see a wide variety of IT paths you can go down. The majority of these later positions on the right-hand side are high-paying, with salaries ranging anywhere from $100,000 to $300,000 USD. Your main responsibility in IT will be to help customers with whatever technical problems they are facing when it comes to your company's software and services. You are on the front lines helping people with their problems, which is why IT remains in high demand. If we take a look at LinkedIn, we see over 74,000 entry-level positions available in the USA alone. The average pay for entry-level positions like this ranges anywhere from $40,000 to $70,000. If you enjoy helping people out and working with technology, then this is something you should consider. And contrary to popular belief, knowing how to program isn't actually needed in the beginning, but it is required when it comes to getting the certifications needed to advance your career to the next level. So ideally, it is best if you are someone who wants to learn how to program down the line. Don't worry though, because if you do get hired at entry level, the vast majority of solutions to your customers' technical problems are usually things that are outlined in documents. You just have to guide your client step by step through the process outlined in these documents. If you'd like to learn more about this career path and how to get hired without a degree, there is a program ran by Josh Madakor, who is an IT YouTuber on the Course Career platform. There's a free intro course you can take to see if it's the right career for you, and if you decide to pursue this path, there's a paid version that will guide you through the exact process until you get hired. Now, it's important to note Course Careers is a unique company because they are paid a commission by recruiting companies for every person that ends up getting a job after completing their program. So they will be doing everything they can in order to help you land a job. Full disclosure, I am an affiliate working with Course Careers, so I get compensated if you sign up. The third career path on our list is customer success. The easiest way to explain this job is to think of the gym. When you sign up for a gym membership at a gym, the best outcome for you and the gym as a business is that you start seeing results, right? Because if you start losing weight and putting on muscle, you'll start feeling healthier and happier. Then you'll want to keep your gym membership going, and you might even recommend that specific gym to some of your friends. The best way for a gym to help you start seeing results is to assign you a personal trainer. The personal personal trainer will tell you how to do your exercises, what to eat, and they'll even hold you accountable and provide moral support, which overall drastically increases your chances of success. This is essentially what someone in customer success does. They are the personal trainer and guide for whatever product or service a company is offering. This makes them an extremely important member of any team. Now, this is slightly different from IT, who are more like plumbers. People in IT come in, fix the problem, and then they leave. Customer success, on the other hand, is more like a personal trainer who stays around and guides the customer to make sure they reach all of their goals. Which is why this is the perfect job for people who love building relationships with others and helping them grow. The average starting salary for customer success is $50,000 to $65,000 per year. And if we take a look at LinkedIn, there are currently over 52,000 entry-level open positions. If you'd like to learn more about this career path and how to get hired in less than 4 months without a degree, there is a program ran by Christy Russo on the Course Career platform. There's a free intro course you can take to see if you're interested, and if you want to further pursue this career path, there's a paid version that will guide you through the exact process until you get hired. The fourth career path on our list is user interface and user experience, also known as UI UX. These are the people who design the interfaces for every app that you've ever used. Their job is to make the application as simple as possible and as enjoyable of an experience to use so that you come back for more. This is a great career path for those of you that are creative and enjoy the arts, and that's because you'll be spending the majority of your time coming up with new designs to try to optimize the app. And contrary to popular belief, you don't actually need to know how to code because it's the developers that make your design into a reality. You will, however, be expected to learn some psychology so that you know how to adjust your designs to improve the user experience and retention. I think this is a good long-term career path because of the coming artificial reality and metaverse megatrends. In the future, I believe we will spend even more time online, which means we spend even more time interacting with applications of all kinds. So companies will need more UI UX people to help optimize all of these applications. If we take a look on LinkedIn, we see that there are currently over 11,000 entry-level positions in the USA alone. UI UX pays better than most other entry-level positions. You can expect to make around $70,000 your first year down this career path. If you'd like to learn more about this career path and how to get hired in less than 6 months without a degree, there is a program ran by Anthony Convoy on the Course Career platform. There's a free intro course you can take to see if you're interested, and if you decide to go down that career path, there's a paid version that will guide you through the exact process until you get hired. The last career path that we'll be covering today is technology sales, also known as business development or sales development. This is arguably the best type of sales career one could pursue, and that's because it can be done remotely, and also people in technology sales focus on selling software to businesses, which are usually higher priced. The commission and bonuses earned on selling higher ticket products like this are almost always higher, which is why this type of sales has a much higher ceiling for growth compared to other forms of sales. It's a path that many CEOs of companies have taken before in the past. And what's great is that most entry-level positions don't actually require you to close the deal. Your job is to simply set up appointments between the potential clients and the senior sales reps on your team, which is significantly easier than closing the deal on your own. Eventually, you will learn how to close sales on your own by watching how your seniors do it, but this comes at least a year down the line, so you'll have plenty of time to learn. If we take a look on LinkedIn, we see that there are currently over 32,000 entry-level positions in the USA alone. At an entry-level position, you can expect to earn $40,000 to $50,000 plus commissions from the deals that you set up. There are usually bonuses that come from hitting certain numbers, so something like $60,000 to $80,000 is entirely possible your very first year down this career path. This career path is best suited for extroverts who enjoy talking to people, and that's because you'll be interacting with a ton of people every day. Your everyday job involves emailing and calling companies to try to set up appointments. You'll also be providing information to companies to answer their questions about the product. If you'd like to learn more about this career path and how to get hired in less than just 3 months without a degree, there is a program ran by Trent Dressel, who is a tech sales YouTuber on the Course Career platform. There's a free intro course you can take to see if you're interested, and if you decide to pursue this career, there is a paid version that will guide you through the exact process until you get hired.